Introducing the next generation of beard styling. The all-new Mi Beard Trimmer. New word in dependability and consistency, with a trimmer guaranteed to last a lifetime. 40 length settings starting from 0.5 mm. Helps you achieve any look you wish to sport with 6,000 oscillations per minute. Delivering accurate cuts and even shape. With its technologically advanced self-sharpening stainless steel blades, precision at its finest. Fully loaded with an ultra-powered battery delivering 90 minutes of the ultimate beard trimming experience with just 2 hours of charging. It takes a few seconds to clean thanks to its advanced hydro-resistant IPX7 fully washable body. It's convenient and comes with a dual usage of corded and cordless settings. Comes with a travel or safety lock. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to activate the lock while you are traveling or not using the trimmer. Top it with an exceptional quad-edge design, engineered to provide the perfect grip and ergonomic comfort. The Mi Beard Trimmer, made for the modern man.
Xiaomi.